You know, I think if there were a beauty contest for GDP releases, that Miss July would probably be very close to the top of the list of the early betting, because it got everything for everybody. There's really strong growth, really strong income growth. We've got a huge reduction in government spending, 5% drop in government spending, now 70,000 fewer federal employees. And we've got $127 billion in tariffs. And so the story, the anti-Trump story, has been that we're going to have a recession or a depression because of the tariffs, which are going to jack up prices and cause consumers to run for the exits. And in fact, every single thing about this GDP release has shown strength. And then the final thing that I like to see in a release, and this is why I'm saying it's really a beauty contest level release, is if you look at it, if you then say, oh, well, next quarter is going to even be better than this, are there reasons to think that? And there are, because if you look at one of the weird little blips in the data, there was a big decline in, say, factory spending. And that was ahead of the big, beautiful bill because people were waiting for that to pass so they could expense. And so there's going to be a huge pent-up demand for factory spending in the third quarter. And so you got to be starting to pencil in a 4% number for that quarter.